Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 8 I think it is. Today is Friday and today is the day that I go pick up Jake from the airport because he's back. But before I do that, I need to have a bit of a clean, a bit of a tidy, get things sorted, do the things that I've been meaning to do over the last day or two that I haven't had time for. Also, if my hair looks brown in the light, no it doesn't. No it doesn't. Can you fucking believe this? Look at the sun coming out in the UK. What is going on? Like, one day it's raining and the next the sun's out. I can't keep up. What I'm gonna do quick, I've already showered and washed off my tan. Such a nice colour. Doesn't it give you just such a nice sun-kissed glow? Yesterday as well, I actually put hand cream on my hand, which I never do. Like before I tan, I never moisturise my skin because I feel like it dilutes the tan. But at the moment, my hands in particular have just been so dry. And I feel like when I tan, the tan just sticks to them too much. And A, they go too dark, and B, they fade horribly. Like after 3 days, which is not long, they look like shit. So I thought I'm gonna put hand cream on and they look so much better. They're not as tanned, but at least they're gonna fade a lot nicer. I actually much prefer them. Anyway, I'm gonna go over my hair with my GHD duet style. I fucking love this tool to dry my hair. I normally blast my hair with the hairdryer and then I go over and dry it with this, and it basically dries and straightens my hair at the same time. It's so good. I didn't use this last night because I just blasted my hair, so it's not damp, but there are underneath areas that could probably do with a little bit more dryness. That way it looks a little bit more presentable for today. I'll probably end up styling it and stuff tomorrow. This gonna deal. Also, this matcha is delicious. Split my hair in half so I can do this bottom section first. I just spoke to Jake on the phone as well. He lands 1-ish our time. In Germany, I'm pretty sure they're an hour ahead, and it's 11. So I've got a couple hours just to start. Not that everything has to be done before he gets back, obviously, but I just want to get as far as I possibly can with stuff. Oh my god, look how brown the underneath of my hair is. The top section doesn't look like that because, like I said, I top dye it. That in the sun is exactly why I need to dye my hair. Look at the difference. Looks like I'm straightened this side. Now my hair is actually fully dry, especially underneath here. That is why I love this tool so much. Okay, there we go. Hair's done. Okay, let's go get some cleaning done, shall we? First point of call, I'm going to start by cleaning the sofas because they need a good hoover. This is my least favourite job, but I like to do it first to get it out of the way and while I've got the most energy. Taking off all the pillows. And we're going to do this. This is for the people that like cleaning ASMRs, by the way. This section's for you. Then what I like to do is go in with, this is Sephora and warm water, and I get a little minky, and I'm just gonna scrub any marks, or I also like to do a light veil over the whole sofa so it smells nice too. This is the only thing, when you have light coloured sofas and you have a dog, they're not exactly the best combo in the world. To be fair, these sofas come with the house, but we kept them because they were new and saved us getting another sofa, but it's not ideal. Having this here, by the way, this arm, is not ideal. We would love to have either an L shape or a U shaped sofa, but we're kind of at that point now where it's are we better off just waiting until we move to get a new sofa and then just keep this one for now? Do you know what I mean? Because it makes sense. New place, new things. Bless you. This sofa is so much cleaner. You can tell which one Cobra's on the most. Yeah. This one, right? You're such a sun baby, look at you. He wants to lay in the sun. Let me go get his bed, hold on. Oh, there you go. See? pillows, right, as nice as they are, this material just catches onto everything, just attracts shit, basically. Oh, that's my favourite part, chopping a pillow. Last one for the sofa. Wow, there we go. I'm going to put my new TK Maxx bow blanket, I think over here. I think this will look cute on this arm. While my floors are drying, I'm just going to spray some of this Carpet Fresh stuff. The stuff smells really nice, just really fresh. I use this on like all my carpets and any rugs, that kind of thing. It's amazing. Hey, mister. You chilling? You'll be happy, mate. I'm going to go get daddy in a minute. Your favourite person? The living room is completely finished now. I'm just waiting for the floors to dry. But once it's done, oh, I'm so happy. Let's have a quick break with the tidying. We got this Christmas card for yesterday. I'm just opening it to see who it's from. Yeah, to answer some emails and stuff and just catch up. Oh, it's from the neighbours. That's our first Christmas card as well. That's so sweet. They are prepped and organised, which is something that I need to be. Guys, I haven't even started buying Christmas presents yet. Actually, that's a lie. I've got one for my niece and one for my nephew. Technically one thing for Jake as well. It's the 6th of December. I'm laughing because I tell myself every single year, by the 1st of December, I'm going to have all my presents bought, maybe even wrapped if I'm that far ahead. But I tell myself the same thing every year and it's, well, always the same. God, terrible. I still need to edit tonight's VLOGMAS, but that's just gonna have to wait till later. I'm really cautious because I know any minute Jake's gonna text me to say he's landed, and as soon as he's landed, I'm gonna leave. I feel like I don't want to start anything too soon. God, it smells amazing in here. So that's a flora, like in the floor. Happy! I'm just gonna do a quick bit of skincare before I leave, just because my skin is feeling quite dry. The tan just kind of makes everything feel a little bit off. On a day like this where I don't really want to do any makeup, well, not yet anyway, just because I'm cleaning and tidying, I just feel like I want to douse my skin in skincare just so it can, like, I don't know, do its thing throughout the day. By the way, that's the Tear Milky Skin Toner. A little bit of eye cream. I'm going to do a serum and a moisturiser. Let's do this one from Origins and then maybe this one from Shiseido. I kind of just want my skin to look like glass, to be honest. This already feels so much better. I actually don't mind it when it feels a little bit tight because, I don't know, it just feels clean. I don't like it when my skin feels oily or greasy. That makes me feel sick. How do people, like, go to bed like that as well, by the way? Like, with, like, layers of skincare on where it's, like, heavy and greasy. I couldn't. God, I look tired, don't I? I am. Ooh! I don't think I've used this before. Look at the consistency. God, it's like jelly. Oh, yes to that. It like thins out on the skin. It's 3-in-1 deep hydrating gel cream. It was really nice. Like a little bit goes a long way. God, I hope none of this breaks me out. I've got a busy weekend. Bring that on my chest and my neck as well. Oh, Jake's texted me. He's landed. All right, I'm gonna do a quick lip balm and then I'm gonna go. I love these from Fenty Skin. These are the hydrating and strengthening lip oils. This one smells amazing. What flavour is this? Passion fruit. Kind of want to put some blush on my face. It's just stunning. I just felt like my face needed that like extra little bit of colour. Let's go. It's officially time to go grab Jake. Right, what is the time? It's 2:28. I think it's about a 45-50 minute drive. Yeah, 50 minutes. Heathrow Terminal. Okay. Wait, actually, I need to put some Drake on. Okay, I found Jake. I just parked up the car there because he needs to go pay for the ticket. He got me some flowers. He's so cute. They're so pretty. Oh my god, they smell incredible. Roses, they're my favourite. I don't know if this is for me or if this is just... I'm gonna have a sip either way. He won't mind. That's a hot chocolate. That's gonna be for me. I don't know if I've parked too far away. I just like come out of the chaos because you know when you have like people behind you and you're getting all like stressed out. I don't want to be in the way of anyone. Also, my boot is not closed properly, so I don't want to drive too far.
Look at you, Jimmy's. Hey, I'm back where I didn't say anything again.
It's really dark. It's really dark. Can you hear him? He's like grunting. Are you happy? Kobe, you sound like a pig. He's nibbling you, he's cobbing you. He's cobbing you, he's excited you're home. Okay guys, the dinner is on. And I thought in the meantime, I'd open up the PR packages that have come over the last couple of days. I think this is all of it. I tried to keep a little bit by the front door so then I could just like do it all at once. So like you guys find this interesting. Unless I've got any upstairs, but either way, it doesn't matter, does it? It's not that deep. What is this? Oh my god, that's adorable. This little Maybelline rocket. Is this for the Sky High mascara? No, I thought that would make sense. Yeah, it is. The like new glittery mascara. That's really cute. I already have these, so these are going to go straight into my giveaway bags in my office for you guys. Thank you so much, Maybelline, and thank you to anyone who sends me anything ever. Oh god, this one's really heavy. Take Two Cosmetics. Oh my god, is this all her new stuff? From what I've seen on TikTok, she's done like a whole like new rebrand and there's so many new products. Oh my god. You enjoying that, mate? Do you want to put some lashes on? This is literally filled to the brim of goodies. Wow. First of all, I did spot the chocolates, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you so much for putting these in. Oh my god, it's a bit squished. Cobra, don't come near this. This is chalky, honey. But look, you're gonna love that. You'll be munching that later, won't you?
Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely.
Thank you so much. You did not have to put those in. You didn't have to send me anything, but I'm really, really grateful, honestly. I actually don't even know where to start. I think I'm gonna have to do like a whole, maybe like TikTok video or something on all of this newness. What are these? Are these like little bundle bags? I feel like I need to do like a bit of research. What? I can't read. Indestructaline multi-use liners. Loads of different colours of these. There's even more, so there's a bunch of those. Here you go, pull this down so you can see. There we go, look at this. There's so much stuff. We've got blushes. Koba is so interested. Please, honey, I need to show people. You can look later. Glow Getter pressed highlighters. There's so much newness in here. Oh my god, I'm really excited. We've got cream sticks. I'm assuming they're lipsticks. We've got liquid eyeliner. What's this? This looks interesting. I love when a brand brings out so much newness like this because there's just so much for me to try. Pressed glitter eyeshadows. She already does these. Are these new colours or are these like a new version? I don't know. I'm going to have to like research all of this because I've got no idea. What is this? Oh my god, shut up. Is this a mug? Oh my... That is so my aesthetic. How nice is that?
You all over.
I was literally just saying to Jake how much I really want a hot chocolate tonight, and you bet your bottom dollar that it's going in this fucking cup. Oh my gosh, she's putting all these extra goodies. What the fuck? I'm feeling very spoiled right now. What's in this little pouch? Guys, there's so much for me to look. I might even save all of this and do a whole video on this rather than like kind of opening it now, just so I can really focus and... Oh, what's this? Juicy lip stain oils. It literally is like the TARDIS in here. These are what I'm really excited about. You know me. You know I love a blush. And the highlighters, actually. I've been really like into my highlighters at the moment. Still love a matte look, obviously. Something about that. Something about the glow. Let's do this little baby box next. Oh, this is from Korea Jewelry. I fucking love this brand. There's a 20% off code if anyone wants it. Loyalty. It's not one to me. This is just like a card, like a normal card that goes inside a order. So I don't know if that's like, there's only one of those, but if you want it, it's there. This is what's inside. Let's see what's in the little box first. How stunning are they? They're like simple but like elevated. I love a little gold hoop. When I say gold hoop, they're more of like they're like a half hoop. 2 little bags here. This one feels like a bangle. Oh yeah. Oh god, they're gonna be such good stacker pieces, and they stretch as well. They're new ones. They're gonna be on the wrist always. I love this brand. Like when you find a jewelry brand that you like their aesthetic, you kind of just like everything that they bring out. Look, little dome earrings, again, so my aesthetic. This is a brand that I know and I trust, and I just love everything they do. So thank you so much, Korea Jewelry. Laura Mercier. Ooh, what's this? A caviar extravagant mascara. We've also got some caviar stick eye colours. This one, I already know who this is from because it said Pretty and Bronzed on the front. I think it's a little top up. We've got the Pretty and Bronzed, yeah, extra dark cherry mousse, the instant shimmer illuminator. There's a brush to apply it, and there's also a mitt in here too. Thank you so much, guys. Right, you want to sit with me?
Yes.
Come here then. I think that's why he keeps sticking his head in. I think he just wants like a big cuddle. A big cuddle. He's so big, he literally takes up the whole camera. He's like a little baby horse. Oh, my little baby horse. What is he?
I was watching TV.
You watching TV? Oh, I always like to see this brand. Oh. God, I hope this one's not broken. It's HMV Cosmetics anyways. Okay, no, it's fine. It's just chocolates that have like opened up. These little like Smarty M&M things. They look like this. I think they're just meant to be in this little pouch, but they've fallen out. What is in here? These are the new HMV Cosmetics brushes. So there's a powder set, there's a face set, and eyes. That's fucking genius, by the way. Love as well how they come in these pouches. These look really luxe and premium. Do you know what it is? It's the colour of the bristles. When they're that like brown shade like this, I always just think they're more of like a makeup artist brush. I don't know if that makes any sense. There's also a super soft beauty sponge and a super soft powder puff. So basically this is a whole toolkit in here. Beautiful. Really excited to use those. Thank you so much, Holly. Okay, this is the PLT Advent Calendar, which I ordered. It is out of stock now though. I was going to do a TikTok on it, but I don't know if it's too late. But either way, I've got a PLT Advent Calendar. I think I know someone who would love this. Yeah, this box is big. This is the last one that I have to open. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Oh my god, when I saw Sarah, she said that she was going to send this. Wow, look at the colour of that. It's like a long, thick fur coat. That is so stunning. Oh, that's going to be the coat of the winter, isn't it? This is the brand, by the way. SLA, the label. This looks rich and expensive. Okay, I'm so excited to style that. Sarah, thank you so much for sending that across. I'm so excited. Somebody's already chomping. I'm excited to join. Look at that. That looks good though as well. So yeah, Sam's watching that.
Right.
The Madness. And she did say it was really good. I was saying this in the vlog. Was it yesterday? Basically gave a recommendation. It's called... Oh, I can't remember.
Good start.
Begins with an F. It's got, you know the guy from The Kingsman? The main guy. Bald guy with the glasses.
Yeah.
Who's like the main character?
Okay.
And it's about a bunker. Temple!
Begin with
Temple! Sorry, I thought it was there.
Nice, yeah, I like this already. This looks really good.
I went to...
You fucking...
Well, I didn't. Because look, I said I went to.
When you thought no.
And then I thought I'd save it for you.
You always... She has a habit of doing this.
What?
Like, if I dared watch a series out with her, it's fine.
I didn't do it!
I wouldn't do it. If you did, yeah, but you do sometimes.
Ask the vlog. I did not watch it.
Yeah, but you do. Like you'll watch, like, a hashtag video without me and stuff like that. Like, I won't do that. I'll wait for you.
Yeah, but you're not as into it as I am.
No.
I'm going to turn the light off so we can get vibey and actually watch this.
Yeah.
Bye!